Okay, before coming to today's match, would you like to comments on yesterday match between Peshawar Zalmi and Islamabad United?
Baba, sure. Yesterday, Peshawar Zalmi delivered a great punch and outclassed Islamabad United. They played the match really well, just like one-day Tigers.
Okay, so what about the match today?
Peshawar Zalmi is going to play their third match against Karachi Kings. So it will be a tight match. I think they are back in business due to the last win against Islamabad United.
Okay, great. So you expect any changes in Peshawar Zalmi team?
No, in my opinion, they must go with the same 11.
Okay, so any favorite player in Karachi King?
Of course, being a Pashtun, my favorite player in Karachi Kings is Shahid Afridi.
Okay, what about the Karachi King team?
It is a good team in papers and on television, but they can't deceive the pressure.
Okay, what will be the final result of this match?
This time I think the team who is going to bat second has 60% chance to win the match.
Okay, so you expect that Peshawar Zalmi